Welcome back to school and to continuing algebra class. My name is Mrs. Kimberly Worrell, and I will be your teacher this year. I'd like to share Agora's vision with you. Agora's vision is to prepare all learners to achieve their highest potential by actively engaging in their own schooling, achieving their personal learning goals, and cultivating success as lifelong learners. We are together as one. Well, I hope you are having or had a great week with your advisory teacher in class. I look forward to meeting you next week. So you might be thinking, how can I be successful in this class? Well, the first thing I want you to think about is your attitude and motivation, because that's going to get you from those lower steps there of I won't do it and I can't do it to I want to do it. So once you have the attitude and the motivation to be successful, that's your start. Then you're going to move to the how do I do it, and I'll try to do it. And how do you get through those steps? You come to class, you participate, you complete your work, and you ask for help. Once you do all those things, you'll realize you can do it and you will be successful. So just some reminders. There's no school Friday, September 4th, or Monday, September 7th. It's Labor Day weekend. You're going to return to school on Tuesday, September 8th, and start content classes on Wednesday, September 9th. So I would just like to tell you to have a great weekend. I'll see you next week, and stay safe. Bye for now.